friend Madhur Bhandarkar is also on the phone line with me. Mr. Bhandarkar, now it's more or less clear, even though that we have not heard officially from the family, it's more or less clear that a huge void has been left in the film industry.
Absolutely. When we just got this news, it was very sad. Dharamji's contribution for Indian cinema in last 4 to 5 decades was huge, humongous. And being versatile actor, he has done comedy, action, serious roles, all kind of roles. From black and white era he started, and till today we were all waiting for his new movie, which is going to come end of this year. And has been one person. I had great opportunity meeting him various in different uh, occasion like event functions, and I met him personally also. And I always been speaking to him over the phone also. It's really sad, And he was one person who had energy, very vibrant personality. Whenever you meet, he would encourage your work, encourage your craft, and always say, do the kind of work you believe in. One person. And when we grown up watching his movies, and when today we came to know he's no more, we were all get back to in the same form what Dharamji used to always be. But sad came what we heard today.
Mr. Bhandarkar, since like I said, I mean, his fans are really waiting for some official word, and since there is none available, anything that you can tell us about his last moments?
No,
Was he
no,
surrounded by
nothing.
family?
No, nothing right now because I myself is out of Mumbai, and I'm just also following the television and looking into social media and what you all are giving news. That's only I want to following.
Your fondest memory, sir?
My fondest memory has been always he used to encourage me whenever I used to meet him. We used to talk a lot. I used to talk about his old movie of cinema and what he cinema. I've been a guy who has been a video cassette library boy. So I used to tell him about his old black and white movies, which I used to see and all. And always be in touch. I used to some other way and I used to love his videos, what he used to put videos on Instagram. So always used to wait his update, So, always friends and the way he used to say about his farmers and all. So it was a great moment to see his such energetic personality.
Right. Mr. Bhandarkar, thank you so much.
Definitely we will miss Dharamji.
Thank you so much, Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar, for joining us. Madhur Bhandarkar also expressing his sense of loss at the unfortunate passing away of Hindi film actor Dharmendra. His last rites, we are now being told, are being carried out by his elder son, Sunny Deol. And we have to qualify it here by saying that the family has still not given out any official statement. I think they're taking a moment to grieve together, and we could hear from them officially later in the day. But Yasha is standing by at the Pawan Hans cremation ground, where the top personalities from the film industry, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Amir Khan, Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, they've all gone there to pay their last respect. Of course, the family, Hema Malini, Yasha Deol, Sunny Deol, they're all there. Yasha, just take us through what you're seeing at the moment. It's been almost an hour now since that ambulance rolled in.
Absolutely, Arunima. And like you said that ever since the ambulance has gone inside, there have been a lot of speculation that we're speaking about. Though no official confirmation from the family, one is only gauging situation basis the kind of movement that is taking place here. But I'd ask my cameraman to show you visuals from around Pawan Hans. Apart from the tight police security, because clearly there are bouncers also who've been deployed here to not allow any kind of movement inside. But in the last 1 hour, you also see the fans who've gotten to know of this very information. They've started gathering in and around Pawan Hans. In fact, you see that there is infrastructure work that is on, and which is where several of the fans have also started gathering and moving in and around, getting on various of these trucks that have been deployed here. In fact, recollecting the last such big event which had taken place right outside Pawan Hans, when Shri Devi had passed away, this was the same location where her mortal remains were brought in. And recollecting that very incident, for almost say 5 kilometers from here, was where one had seen fans walking all the way to Pawan Hans. In fact, on both the ends of this very location, the entire road was cleared off, and for almost a kilometer from here was where one would see family members of Sridevi walking all the way inside to Pawan Hans. Of course, the kind of icon that Dharamji is, fans would have expected that they would come around to get a glimpse of the actor right here. But after the information has started coming in, we're seeing fans also gathering right outside this location, and which is where you see that the police bandobast has in fact been beefed up further with the kind of movement that's taking place. Because on one hand there are Bollywood celebrities who are making their way inside, and on the other hand there are several fans, paparazzis, who've gathered very close to this very location, trying to understand, we are also trying to gauge and understand, get an official confirmation on this very update. And so is the case with several fans who are also awaiting, wanting to understand what is in fact happening right here. There are questions that several fans have clearly. One would want to wait for an official confirmation. Fans would want to know about their beloved actor. But so far, everyone here seems to have that question. Clearly, no answers to which. Though, however, there is tight police bandobast on both ends, trying to ensure that the movement of vehicles is not affected, with the fans coming out on streets to get an answer to this question.
Right.
Yes, Arunima.
Right. My colleagues are still saying that official word from the family is awaited, but a number of film personalities and now politicians are also paying their last respect to the Bollywood actor, to the Hindi film actor Dharmendra.